God, supreme ruler of the universe and master of the destinies of mankind and nations, lead us in our quest to provide food and other needs for our fellow men. Give us strength that we may not falter in our toil to till the soil. Lend us your wisdom that we may create new ways to improve the harvest from the earth's bounty. Give us rain for the plants to grow, sunshine for the flowers to bloom, and fair skies to reap and gather the fruits of the season. Shelter our farmers from devastating storms and protect them from the harshness of droughts. When we have crested in our life and started our downhill slide, may we rest knowing that through the work of our hands, we have planted the seeds for future generations to thrive. Let us rest, knowing that we nursed and nurtured the wealth of Mother Earth, in grateful appreciation to our loving God, our benefactor and guide. And when our time on earth has run its course, allow us to join the moon and the stars while sitting by your side. Through the windows of your house, grant us permission to look down and to guide the farmers who continue the toil of cultivating the soil. As we fervently pray for the ones we love, allow us to experience heaven in the palm of your hand, knowing that we have done our best to serve our neighbors, whose images are true reflections of the face of God.